Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get quick tips for a LinkedIn post with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. Here I'm gonna show you some rules, tips and tricks which you just have to follow. I'm showing you some rules with example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Define your objective. Example prompt. Create a LinkedIn post to share the importance of upskilling in the digital age. Let's see the answer. Here it is. Before generating content with ChatGPT, clearly define the goal of your post. Whether you want to inform, share expertise, or promote an event, ChatGPT can tailor the tone and content based on your objective. Number 2. Keep it professional yet engaging. Example prompt. Write a LinkedIn post about the role of emotional intelligence in leadership, making it informative but engaging. So let's see the answer. Here is your answer. LinkedIn is a professional platform, so the tone of your post should be reflect that. But it should also be engaging. Number 3. Focus on value and action. Example prompt. Generate a LinkedIn post that shares 3 actionable steps for improving time management. Your answer is ready. Ensure your post provides value to your audience. Whether it's insights, tips, or a lesson, always aim for actionable content that your audience can relate to or benefit from. And the last one, number 4. Use hashtags strategically. Example prompt. Write a LinkedIn post on the future of remote work with a few relevant hashtags. So let's see the answer. Here is the ChatGPT's output. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your post on LinkedIn. ChatGPT can suggest effective hashtags based on your post content. So, using ChatGPT for a LinkedIn post can save time and help you generate valuable, engaging content that connects with your professional network. By focusing on the right tone, value, and engagement, you can build a strong presence and foster meaningful interactions. That's it. So this is how to get quick tips for a LinkedIn post with ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.